Now we'll talk about the uses of electromagnetic spectrum, and specifically we are going to talk about the radio waves. Over here, this is the frequency of your electromagnetic spectrum, and this is your radio waves, and this is the range. And microwaves are used for microwave ovens. This one is television rays. It's infrared rays for controlling your television through wireless kind of remotes, your visible light, your ultraviolet, and your X-rays. Moving further about your radio waves are controlled or it can be manipulated using amplitude modulation. So amplitude modulation band is from 530 kHz to 1710 kHz. The higher frequencies up to 54 MHz are used for short wave bands. The television waves ranges from 54 MHz to 890 MHz. Whereas frequency modulation band is from 88 MHz to 108 MHz. Cellular phones uses radio waves in ultra high frequency band. Moving towards your microwaves. Due to the short wavelength of microwave, they are used in radar communication. Microwave oven is an interesting domestic application of this microwaves. Further moving towards your infrared lamps, it's used in physiotherapy. Infrared photographs are used in weather forecasting. And infrared absorption spectrum is used to identify the molecular structure. Visible light, that's interesting, right? The visible light emitted or reflected from objects around us provides information about the world. This is your visible spectrum. So from violet, WBSE, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. The wavelength range of visible light is 4000 angstrom to 8000 angstrom. We'll talk about ultraviolet radiations. Ultraviolet rays are used to destroy the bacteria and for sterilizing surgical instruments. These radiations are used to detect the forged elements, fingerprints in forensic laboratories. They are used to preserve the food items too. Now we'll talk about X-rays. X-rays are used as a diagnostic tool in medicine. And it's used to study the crystal structure in solids too. Now we'll talk about gamma rays. Gamma rays give useful information about the nuclear structure and it's used for treatment of cancer. You are able to see the rays are of different types as alpha, beta, and gamma. Alpha, which can be restricted to paper, and beta will be restricted to plastic or it can be restricted via your hands. But gamma rays, they can pass through paper, steel, and even through lead.